All right, guys, so today we're gonna have our first giveaway, and I'm gonna give you all the information of our first giveaway ever for Monument Grills, and I'm gonna tell you guys all the information at the end of this video. Welcome back, guys. So today we're gonna be using our Monument Grill propane grill. We got some chicken wings marinated. We got some carne asada, pretty much flank steak that it's already marinated. Went to the Mexican meat market. They had the chicken wings there, all nice and juicy. Bam. You know how we do it. All right, so this is just pretty simple. We're gonna go ahead and fire up our Monument Grill and start cooking this delicious food. Let's go. All right, guys, look how nice and shiny this grill is. Oh, one of the big boys from Monument Grill. And look at this. Oh, oh, it's a beauty, guys. This is a beauty. Go ahead, open this up. Now we're gonna slowly turn on our propane. Slowly. Okay. All right, this is our first cook. I like this little light you guys see over here in the corner. Oh, you don't see this light right here. Gives me more light for my grill. Oh yeah. Go ahead and put these on low. I mean, you can tell the quality. It's really good. Great quality. Go ahead and close this. Get some heat going. All right, guys, we just added our chickens in there. I forgot to hit the record button when I was sitting there, but we just added the chicken right now. So go ahead and close it. All right, let's go ahead and add our carne asada. Carne asada, I need it low. Smells so good. I did raise the temperature on this chicken, so it's getting better. Now the plan is for the chicken is you kind of cook it here, but you'll finish it up here. It's good to turn these over. So same as the carne asada, we're going to go ahead and let it finish up here. And I like to do is I like to make a little pile. So it's still going to continue cooking. So you don't want to cook it too much down here, because up here I can continue cooking and it won't dry out. Same as these, we can start putting them up here. They can just cook up here and finish off there. Note to self, I need some bigger, longer tongs. And then you also want to make sure that the ones up here You flip them around. That way they get some more heat. The ones on the bottom doesn't get overcooked because of the heat's in the bottom. Now you guys know the drill. You gotta taste your own product. Man, that's so good. Let's see where our chicken wings are at. $62, $65 for those. Yeah, the chicken wings are they're pretty much done too. Oh yeah. Go ahead and turn these over, flip them over. All right, everything looks like it's ready to come out. Bam. Let's go ahead and turn off our lights. Let's go make our tacos. All right, guys, so now it's time to give you the instructions for our first giveaway. It's going to be 2 things we're going to be giving away, thanks to Monument Grills. So we're going to do is the first giveaway is going to be a portable griddle. They also have portable griddles, so you guys want to check their size. They got smokers, they got little griddles. We're also going to be giving away a portable gas grill. So those are the 2. Now, what do you guys need to do to enter this giveaway? Very easy. You have to make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Yes, we can tell if you're subscribed or not. Also, make sure you're subscribed. Go to Monument Grills. I'll leave a link in the description. Click that link. It'll take you to their YouTube. Follow them. Then come back to this video and leave a comment of which one you guys want. Which one you guys like? The griddle or the little portable gas grill? The weekend before Thanksgiving, I'm gonna go live and we're gonna pick 2 winners. Okay? So I will see you guys next time.